In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video in Elementor. If you're building a landing page, a portfolio, or a course lesson, adding video is a great way to make your content more engaging. We'll keep this simple, clear, and quick, using Elementor's built-in video widget so you can get a professional result without extra plugins. First, open the page you want to edit in the Elementor editor. From your WordPress dashboard, head to your Pages or Templates list, choose the item you want to work on, and click Edit with Elementor. The editor will load with your live preview on the right and the Elementor panel on the left, which is where you'll control the widget settings. Next, bring the video onto your page. In the left panel search bar, type Video to find the video widget. Click and drag it to the spot in your layout where you want the video to appear. As you hover over sections and columns, you'll see a highlight that shows exactly where it will land. Release your mouse, and a placeholder video will appear in the preview area. Now, set the video source in the left panel. You can choose from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, or self-hosted. Pick the one that matches where your video lives. YouTube is ideal for public content and easy sharing. Vimeo is great if you prefer a cleaner player and more control over privacy. Dailymotion works similarly to other public platforms. Self-hosted is for videos you store on your own site or server. Just remember that hosting video files yourself can impact site speed and bandwidth, so use it when you truly need it. With the source selected, paste your video link into the link field. Use the regular URL, not the embed code. For YouTube or Vimeo, copy the page's share link and paste it in. For a self-hosted file, paste the direct file URL, like an MP4 uploaded to your media library. As soon as you paste the link, Elementor will load a live preview in the editor, so you can confirm you've added the correct video. If it doesn't appear, double-check that the URL is complete and publicly accessible. That's all it takes. Open the page in Elementor, drag in the video widget, choose your source, and paste the link. With these steps, your page gets a polished video section in minutes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Elementor.